everyone. Welcome to another part of the Meditation 101 series. Today, we're going to explore one of the most common and effective practice, which is the seated meditation. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses technique such as mindfulness or focus meditation to put your attention on a particular object. Could be the rising and falling of your abdomen, the breeze through your nostrils, perhaps the third eyes, or even an object outside of your body. Could be a candle flame, could be somewhere that's outside of your window, anything that you can put your attention on. This practice have numerous benefits, as you probably heard many times, that meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, enhance your mental clarity, focus, and your emotional calmness, and help you to overcome life's ups and downs. So today, let's walk through one of these most common meditation practice, which is seated meditation. So how to prepare for it and how to practice it. Firstly, make sure that you can find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed for the duration that you want to practice. This could be a corner of your home where you feel most comfortable and at peace. Use a cushion or a pillow to elevate your sitting bone, which can make sure that you sit your spine upright and feel comfortable during your practice. And also make sure this space is inviting and calm, which will help you settle and ease into your practice. And when we talk about how to sit, oftentimes people feel like they are struggling with cross-leg seated position. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. You can also sit it with both of your leg and your knees on the floor, while both of your knees pointed forward with an elevated cushion or a pillow below your sitting bone. One thing that is very essential is if you're seated, try to always check in if your spine is upright. Imagine there is a string on top of your head and kind of prolong and elongate your head towards the sky and soften your shoulder and try to relax the muscles on your face. About your hands, you can just relax your hands on your laps. You can face your palm upwards, which are more of a receiving, receptive energy. Or you can also put your palm facing down on the lap, which is also more of a grounding and kind of connecting position with the Mother Earth. And how to practice the meditation itself. If you don't have a guided meditation audio or video, that's perfectly fine. You can start the practice, just close your eyes and start to simply observe your breath. Start with 3 rounds of deep breath. Inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth with prolonged time period, at least twice or 3 times as long as your inhale. This can already help you calm down your nervous system, slow down your heart rate, and help you ease into the practice. Once you do that, you can just observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Observe where your body registers the breath the most. Sometimes it could be the rising and falling of your abdomen, or perhaps the expansion or contraction of your chest, or it could be the feeling of the air coming in and out from your nose. Just simply observe them without needing to change it. and notice how this breathing rhythm relate to your body, how you feel within, physically, mentally, and emotionally. While you're doing so, perhaps some thoughts and emotions and sensation will arrive. For instance, you might start to worry about another meeting that will come your way today, perhaps some errands that you forgot to run, or maybe an argument you had earlier with your partner, or you felt some itches on your face. Whatever feeling, emotions, or sensations that might be, just observe it, and you can use verb or word to note them. For instance, if you are planning what you will do for next day, you can just silently repeat to yourself, planning, planning, planning. Or if you feel itches on your face, you can just note it, itches, 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 and see if you can observe anything that change during the time you're noticing the sensations and thoughts and emotions arising you. Perhaps the itches will change, or maybe go away, or maybe get stronger. So whatever that change or maybe the sensation will become, um, see if you can manage to observe it without the need to change it, or maybe touch my face, or perhaps adding additional stories to your worry or plan, or memorizing about the past. So imagine yourself as a observer that is looking at the sky, and the thoughts, emotions, and sensations are just like clouds. They are moving and they are evolving and changing shapes. Perhaps they disappear, or maybe there are new clouds forming in the sky. So just observe them and without changing them, and no need to put any judgment as in if it's good, bad, neutral, positive, negative. Just observe as however it is. And last but not least, while you finish the meditation itself, perhaps a 3 to 5 minutes practice, you can always, in the end of this practice, put one hand in front of your heart, which is the center of your chest, and just take a few moments to send gratitude to yourself. Thank yourself to spend this time of your day to take care of yourself, to look inward, and to invest in self-discovery and personal growth. Last but not least, how to actually incorporate meditation into your daily routine. To me, the most effective way is to incorporate this short meditation either in my morning routine or night sleep routine. So make sure you dedicate at least 3 to 5 minutes a day after you wake up or before you go to sleep. And find this dedicated spot in your home where you can return to each day. Use a cushion or maybe a candle that anchor you to the practice. And of course, make sure this space is free from distraction. If you have kids or partners or roommates in your apartment, consider using a noise cancellation headphone to help you maintain the focus. And if you find it difficult to meditate on your own, there are many guided meditations available online. I also have a series of guided meditation that I will link it here. And in the end of this meditation, and at the end of this video where you can use to get started your meditation practice. Remember, meditation requires patience and practice, just like any other skills. Start with a short duration, like 3 to 5 minutes, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable and it becomes a part of your daily routine. And also remember, it's perfectly okay if your mind wanders, if there's any emotions or sensations arise, just gently bring your attention back to your breath each time when that happens. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this introduction of seated meditation. I will link a guided seated meditation here so that you can use this practice and incorporate in your daily practice. And happy meditating. See you on the next Meditation 101 series.